Good morning. So this is the apparatus of our project, which is remote control of home and industrial appliances using DTMF based controller. We are using mainly 8051 family microcontroller, and this is DTMF chip. This is DTMF decoder. Here we are using the supply to get 5 volt DC, and then this we are having this LED for acknowledgement signal, and these are our crystal oscillators. This we are using Darlington pair for making our current eligible for driving the relay. So now we will switch on the power supply, and we are having one phone connected permanently with this kit, and there will be one extra phone which will be with us from anywhere. Either we are in office or any other place, we can dial and control our loads which are at home from remote place only. So starting, this mobile is in auto answer mode. Now I am going to call from this mobile phone. From this mobile phone, as you can see, the call is going to this mobile phone, and this mobile is in auto answering mode. So as you can see, the call is coming, and now the call has been picked up, and now we will control our load. First I will press 1. As you can see, I am going to press 1, which will switch on the first load. This is our first load. This table lamp is our first load, and now I am going to press 1, and you can see how it is being controlled. As you can see here, I pressed 1 and our first load switched on. Now I will press 2 and the first load will switch off. Now I am going to press 3. So our second load is this all out machine. Show this from here. When I will press 3, this second load will switch on. So I am going to press 3. As you can see, that our second load has been switched on. Now I will press 4 and this load will be switched off. Now I will press 5 and our third load, which is this fan, which we have connected with the help of mobile charger, and it will be switched on when I will press 5. As you can see, our third load has also started working. Now I will press 6 and this load will switch off. As you can see, now I am going to press 7 and our next load, which is this one. We have Here we have shown practically how a transformer is stepping down the 220 volt and it is converting it into DC with the help of 7805 IC. Now I am going to press 7. Okay, and you can see now this load has started working, and now I am going to press 8 to switch it off. As it has switched off, now I am going to press 9 and our next load is this one, which will be switched on. As you can see, when I press 9, our fifth load, which is this bulb, has been switched on. Now I am going to press 0. As you can see, now our fifth load has been switched off. Now we have a special feature here. When I will press star, all the loads will be started simultaneously, and when I will press hash, all the loads will be switched off simultaneously. I am going to press star now. As you can see, our each and every load is now in on mode. By pressing one single key, we are switching on each and every load. Now I am going to press hash and each and every load will be switched off. And now I am going to press hash. As you have seen, each and every. Again I am going to press star. As you can see, each and every load is, this is our first load. It is also on. and now I am going to press again hash, and each and every load will be switched off. So this was our project. We are here controlling 5 loads with the help of DTMF based. So I have been calling on this phone for this much time, and now I am going to disconnect my call, and my call is now disconnected. Thank you.